What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today, before reviewing the movie, I would like to say something that my teacher has taught me. So it was like long time ago when I think it's this poem is from 1882 something. So he was like 70 or 80 years old, and his parents they traveled in, and he also traveled in Europe when it was like Titanic era that time. So he knows that. That's why he told me. And in the English is very old, and I hope you will really like it. So what is the because some of the verses or some of the things that I really learned, memorized it, and I cannot forget it even till now. So it's all about what is the young man's heart tell. Tell me not in mournful numbers, life is but an empty dream. For the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. Life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. Dust thou art, to dust returnest, was not spoken of the soul. Not enjoyment and sorrow is our destiny and our way, but to act each tomorrow find us further than today. Art is long and time is fleeting, and our hearts, though stout and brave, still like muffled drums are beating funeral marches to the grave. Trust no future, however pleasant, let the dead past bury its dead. Act, act in living present, heart within and God overhead. So I hope you will, if you really wanted to scroll down and find out what is Psalm of Life. So this movie reminds me similar something like this. Masan is a movie, and the actors are superb. They have shown a lot of good things and the quality content in this, and especially it's all about our life and how we take and think about life. Pankaj Tripathi is there, no matter he has a cameo role, and Vicky Kaushal, one of the promising actor, no matter it's like 5 or 6 years back movie, and the Mirzapur lead actress, she is also there, and Richa Chadha, now she is already very mature. So I really like her acting in this one, because deep down I have seen some incidents that really matters the most, and something that I really understand, and that was I just wanted to review here today. So let's talk about something more, what the story is all about and what we can gain from it. The story starts with Varanasi Devi, and she is in an institute, and she is into a relationship with a student, and they were found out in their hotel room, and then the police came and they were emotionally torturing the guy, and the guy just gave up on his life and committed suicide, and thus starts the journey of that cop to blackmail the father. His name is Vidyadhar. Sanjay Mishra is playing the very good role. And during that time, the intense situation and everything, it's very realistic as it happens. The important thing is, no matter we are in new century, overall our understanding about people, our strict rules sometimes doesn't help them to come up with their emotions, and they don't know how to say thank you, excuse me, please, sorry, and show their emotions to each other, and they find something like this to be. So she was into this situation, and somehow the situation gets tough, and now this cop goes to him and says, Sanjay Mishra, that you need to pay around 300,000 bribe. So that is how we wanted to settle it down. Now comes the time that when they will play the card of blackmailing by pride and society and all this. So he goes to, and that time you can see the emotions of a single dad and a daughter, and how they interact with each other. They are both broken inside, because he is a poor man who has a very small stall or a shop around Ganges River, and there is a guy who works with him. His name is Jonty, an orphan guy. Jonta or Jonti, I don't know how to pronounce that one. Sorry for mispronunciation. So now he has to collect that 300,000, a huge sum, and how he will do that? And he is poor. Whatever he will do, he cannot go through that. So now one day what happens is that the people are gathered around Ganges River and they are sending this small kids to jump into the Ganges River and find out the maximum coins, and they will get the prize, and that the betting starts there. So Jonta is telling his grandfather, like godfather, Vidyathar Sanjay Mishra, that I would like to jump into this, I can win it and I will really win it, blah blah blah. And then he let it. So he jumped into that one and he earns good money. So that's how they started having the good money, and now his this worker is also giving him the maximum. On the other hand, you will see there is a guy, Deepak, very well played by Vicky Kaushal, and the emotions, it's all the details, I really like it. It's all about emotions and how the actors portray their emotions in hardest times of life. So Vicky Kaushal and one of his friends, he has a girlfriend, he went there, and that's how he met Shweta Tripathi, Golu, I know it very well, that's how. So they're trying to meet each other, now they are in a relationship, and somehow he comes up with this thing that, listen, I am from a doomed community, a very low caste, and our family business is cremation. Every day we are tired of seeing all these things, and I'm just pursuing civil engineering to do something else different, so that I can get out of it. But since you are from high caste, it will be very hard for your parents to get ready for this one. She said, I will always be with you. But remember, sometimes truth to be told, but in a very soft manner, not in a harsh manner. She cannot digest it, and it happened. So now what happened is he gave her the ring, and after that he stopped talking to her because he knows there are barriers. And what happens is, in the end, you will see that one time he was there at Ganges River, and he found out that same ring from one fox, and he found out, and he was surprised, and like, you hit with the train and you don't know how to do it. And that happened with him, and then he took that ring very early in the morning once the body was decomposed, and then he went to the Ganges River. He wanted to give up his life, and he left that ring there in the river, but he somehow came out, pursue civil engineering. He is into stress and that kind of speechless time, like he doesn't want to say anything to anyone, so he lives in that trauma at that time. And now what happened, one day Jonta again jumped in the Ganges River, but this time he wasn't coming out, and he was upset. The godfather, means Vidyathar Sanjay Mishra, who was his like a father, and he said, I will never ever put you in this troublesome situation. But once he came out, he found out that he just found that ring. The ring is very precious, he had got that ring, sold it, and gives the money to the police inspector. While on the other end, what is Divi is doing, she already know that her news has spread like a wildfire in his hometown. She found a job at the railway ticket office, and there she meets Pankaj Tripathi. Their cameo role is very little, but okay, especially to give a good laugh. And after that, you will see at the end of the movie that both of them are meeting together. This is how the life is. The story revolves around how our barriers, our society never ever let things come up with the positive thing. So they always find what is antisocial. That's why we have to broaden our canvas of thinking and our ways and means of taking things. And especially it happens in our society. Our people in our society is same like that police inspector who create chaos, and later then to cover that chaos they wanted to use their power. And especially the poor man, but he can do nothing. I hope you will like this. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And especially if you really need to show care to people, show it with a soft tone, not with the harsh. Have a great week. Bye bye.